This is why you need to hear about these insane coincidences. You see, buckle up. Imagine winning the lottery twice with the same numbers. Sounds impossible, right? But it happened to a woman in Texas. Or how about this? In 1975, a man was killed riding a moped in Bermuda by a taxi driver who accidentally killed his brother on the same moped in the exact same spot a year earlier. And get this. Mark Twain was born on the day Halley's Comet passed by Earth in 1835. He predicted he'd die when it came back. And he did, in 1910. Coincidences like these make you wonder if fate is real. What's the craziest coincidence that ever happened to you? Comment below.